Hi viewers, I am planning to do something. What do you think what I am going to do is? I am going to do a date bread loaf. First thing I am going to do, 1 cup of water I need, which I have to boil it. 1 cup water. Meanwhile, what I can do is, into this bowl I will put the dates. 250 grams dates I took and remove the seeds. It is become less now, isn't it? Yes. Sugar 60 grams I put. 60 grams of sugar. And I need a tablespoon of butter. So when the water is boiling, we take and put it into this mixture. Dates, sugar, butter, we mix it nicely. Now we cool this slightly. Meanwhile, what I will do is, I will put a teaspoon of baking powder into 250 grams flour, and I need 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now I will use that into this mixture. I said it's quick and easy preparation to be done. No yeast. We put bicarbonate of soda. Mix it well. Now I am going to put the egg also. One egg only an egg, 1 egg. Nicely mix it. I can put a little bit of vanilla essence. I said it's a kind of a bread. So, but anyway, I like to put a little vanilla. So, we will use the vanilla essence, half a teaspoon. Now, I have to butter this tray a little. I need a deep bowl. Actually, to tell you the truth, I need a deep one. Since we are going to bake it like a bread, quick and easy, isn't it? Now, I did with dates. It's nice and tasty when the date is used. Instead of dates, if you want, you can use sultanas. If you want, you can use cherries. Roughly, it's a deep bowl. I told you it's going to be a deep bowl. See, 3-inch deep, and it's a loaf tin which I am going to bake this for 40 minutes. I am going to bake this for 40 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. We bake for 40 minutes and take it roughly, and it will be like a loaf which no yeast is added. So, it's really nice. I would say if you can make a bread loaf like this, see, just mix everything, no yeast, nothing. So, we will see how it's going to be, and it's nice. What time to serve? Now, see how it looks, my bread loaf, see, but only thing it cracks in the middle because it's put into a loaf tin and it has a small crack. Never mind about the crack. So, we will see actually to do a bread. I am showing you so that quickly I can show you how this bread look like. See, okay. Now, I have got some cream cheese. If you want cream cheese, I can put a little cream cheese on top and serve it if I want, or little butter, or my other favorite thing is the honey, which you can serve with honey also. Fruits with honey and with this sauce. So, you can have it like that. See, easy to prepare, no yeast, and a preparation like this, it's really delicious. I'm using a little mint also. Mint leaves goes very well, and you can eat those mint leaves also. Give for children, give for your family. Everyone will love to eat a preparation like this. It's always new things I'm preparing, and always I think of preparing something good for you. Try it out and see how it comes. Till I meet you again, bye from me now.